Hi, I'm Deathlake. In this video, I'm going to be going through this freebie haul from the Good Food Show Winter. So 2 bags. I'm going to show you what some of the items was. So example, this Aviano. So Aviano. There's also one in the other bag. Each bag had this Heinz made for veggie sauce, miso sauce. Each bag had that. Chocomel. Each bag had that, so each bag had a different version. One bag had this marine spritz. I don't know what flavour this is. Lime slice. Some sort of strawberry. This one is strawberry flavoured. Each bag had this hand sanitizer. More hand sanitizer. Each bag had some salt, molten salt. So this is one of the stalls, got this free sauce packet. These are some leaflets of some recipes from this Indomie. Some vouchers. Butter booklet. Postcode, some stickers, some interesting stickers from the stores. Postcard. Each bag had this herbal sweet. This was the show guide book. This was a tote bag from one of the stores for free, Thermomix. So there's 2 of these. Nope. More stickers, pen, sauce, more sauce. And this was the Good Food Show bag, tote bag. Then there's a bunch of vouchers. So this is the vouchers, so Chocomel. Some drink, cheese, Rana. I think this was in the goodie bag. Bunch of vouchers, £1 off vouchers. The mixer, yeah. This bookmark. This mini O sharp. So this is some nail clippers. So in the Lee Key stall, this was free in exchange for a £10 purchase. So I got a couple of items for free actually for a purchase. They had this towel. This is one of the items. Oh, the towel. Also got some chopsticks. Some magnets. So these are different magnets. All this was free in exchange for a £10 purchase of the sauces. Over £10 purchase. Oh. So there's some of the magnets. It's got a little sauce. As well as this was free in exchange for any purchase and signing up for the newsletter. So this is the box of sauces. Let me see if I can open this. So this different sauces they had for sampling purposes. So oyster sauce, premium oyster sauce, yellow bean sauce, hoisin sauce, chili garlic sauce, Sweet soy sauce, chili oil, soy sauce, little booklet about different recipes. Surprisingly, this coffee was free as well. This was free from one of the stores. So this is Black Lion, Virgin Mary, some honey, Buzz Balls, so this one is tequila flavored, this one is chili mango, this is strawberry rizzo, and this is espresso martini flavor. Also there's this cider flavor, and this berry cider, berry flavored berry cider. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and like my Facebook page for more content. Please do comment below what's your experience of food shows or the BBC Good Food Show. Thank you for watching.